Hey everyone, welcome back to Tecktoniq YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something super useful and trending. How to save dark mode preference using local storage or cookies. Ever noticed how some websites remember your dark mode while others forget it as soon as you refresh? Well, today I will show you how websites make that magic happen. Let's get into it. Okay, so first let's see what is dark mode. It's a display setting where the background becomes dark, usually black or dark gray, and the text appears light, like white or light gray. It's easier on the eyes, especially at night, gives a modern look, and even saves battery on mobile devices. That's why users love it, and most apps and websites now offer it. Why should we save dark mode preferences? Okay, now imagine you visit a website, choose dark mode, and the next time you visit, it resets back to light mode. Frustrating, right? That's why we save the user's preferences so they don't have to select dark mode again and again. It makes the experience smooth, smart, and user friendly. And trust me, users notice these little things. So, there are two main ways to save dark mode preferences using local storage and using cookies. So, let's quickly understand how both work. What is local storage? Local storage is a feature built into every modern browser. It lets websites store small pieces of data like the user's dark mode setting right inside the browser. What's the best part? It stays saved even after the browser is closed. It's perfect for simple websites and works only on the same device and browser. So, if you choose dark mode, the website can choose local storage the next time and turn it automatically. Now, let's talk about cookies. Cookies are also saved in the browser, but they work a bit differently. They can have an expiry time and they can also be read by the server. This makes cookies a better choice for websites that have login system or when the same user is using multiple devices. So, if you want your dark mode to follow you across different login or devices, cookies are the better option. Now, let's see what happens when a user clicks on dark mode. When a user clicks on the dark mode toggle button, two things happen. First, the website changes the appearance, dark background, light text. Second, the website need to save the choice using either local storage or cookies. That way, the website remembers this user prefers dark mode. If we don't save this, the user would have to turn it on every time, which is annoying and not user friendly. Saving the mode makes the website feel smarter and smoother. What happens when user visit again? Now imagine the user come back the next day or week. Here's what happens behind the scene. The browser checks, do we already know the user's theme preference? It looks into local storage or cookies to find what was saved. If it sees dark mode was selected, the website would automatically apply dark mode without the user doing anything. This creates a personalized experience and it feels like the website remembers them, which is always a good thing. So, in conclusion, which one should you choose? Use local storage if your website is simple and works only on client side. Use cookies if your site needs to connect with a server or manage user sessions. Both are great, it just depends on your website's need. That's it. Now you know how websites remember your dark mode using local storage or cookies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tecktoniq YouTube channel. Thank you.